Everyone, in this video, I will guide you through a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to make a document formatting. We will create a formatted Microsoft Word document using paragraphs, tables, and figure captions. Following the style of the sample output for this activity, I will use a different example text about environmental conservation. Let's begin. To start, open Microsoft Word and click on blank document. So I already opened the Microsoft Word and also the blank document. Now I will type the first paragraph. This paragraph is written in a normal format just like in the sample output. Okay, so first is, since our title or our paragraph is all about the environmental awareness, therefore our topic will be about environment. Now let's type environment conservation focuses on protecting natural resources. So I just need to finish the first paragraph, and after that I'll be right back. Okay, now since you are done typing our first paragraph, to highlight the paragraph, go to the home tab here and click justify. Okay, justify, here is the justify, so we have to highlight this home tab and justify. We're already done justifying the text to make both left and right edges aligned. So next is set the line spacing. And also the first line indent. So go on the layout tab and open the paragraph settings and set the first line indent to 0.5. So here 0.5, so 0.5, and also the left. So next, we have to type the second paragraph. So you just have to click the enter in order for them to make spaces, just like that. And it depends on you on the space you want or you prefer for your text. So I just need to space between each paragraph, and now type the second paragraph. Okay, so I'll be right back. So we're done typing our second paragraph, so we have to highlight this. That's it. And also our second paragraph is I will be going to make it a narrow and arranged vertically. In order to follow that, we will use two columns. So you have to click the layout and click columns here, and you have to click this two, and that's it. To apply the two columns again, like what I have just performed, I have to highlight the second paragraph, go to layout, click columns, and choose two. This will divide the paragraph into two narrow text blocks. And now this is for just optional adjustment. So to make the column similar to the sample output, or which you prefer to do, you may click more columns and set the spacing at 0.4 inches. But the inches or the size will depend on which you prefer. Okay, this is just an example. I forgot to mention, but if you want to insert an image to your second paragraph, you just have to click this enter, and picture this device, and download, and click the picture you want to insert. For example, I want to insert this picture, so you have to click this and insert. And we already inserted the picture. You have to right click the mouse, click the wrap text, and choose which you would like to put your the text wrap of your picture. So I'll just click this one in line with the text. Here you have to resize it, so you have to make it a little short. Okay, here, going to there. And you have to that's it. But it depends on you if you would like to enter the text, or if you I mean the picture, if you want to insert a picture. But if you choose not to insert, you just have to click the picture and okay, that's very easy. And let's move forward. By the way, you can also insert a picture right here. You just have to repeat the same process. I would in my preference, I would like to insert the picture in this area. So I have just quick text and front the text. So I want to insert the picture here in this area. That's it. Next is I need to type the the third paragraph. So I'll just type the third paragraph and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am done writing or typing the third paragraph, since it was already programmed or set as 2 columns. So you have to highlight this and layout, click 1. Okay, that's it. And also you have to click the enter and edit this. By the way, I just need to write it. Okay, and highlight, layout 1. Yeah, you have to just edit that. I am done fixing the entire text, so that's it. And also you can change the font style. Okay, you just need again highlight the text and choose what type of font or style do you want. Like for example, I want the Arial, so I just need to click the Arial and on the size you want. So I prefer 12, and you can also bold the text, italize the text, and also put a line of text, but I prefer that way. Okay, and now the last part, I will be going to write the final paragraph of our format document. So wait lang. And now we are done typing all our paragraphs for our document. And by the way, you have to write also the title of your topic Like for example, in this tutorial, we choose the environmental conservation. Therefore, we have to write there the topic. So environmental conservation. And highlight the text, and I want the title to be placed in the center. That's why I need to click this. And also I want to bold my title. That's why. And also I want to make the size longer than the other text. I mean bigger and larger, not longer. And that's it. And now in this tutorial we need 3 tables. So in order to insert the table, you have to click the enter twice here and click the insert table here, and we need 3 by 6. So again, 3 by 6. Okay, you have to click that, and the table will automatically insert to our workbench. Next is we have to name this as here table 1. This is just an example, okay? This is for the tutorial only. Table 1, and you have to, and our table 1 is about the eco warriors of the year. That's our topic. Again, you have to highlight this and go to home, choose the font size. Again, I'll choose Arial, and the size here 12, and I want to bold the text here, and that's it. So first is we will going to name this or put the word number here and highlight, and I want to make it to the center. Next is the name and the score. So again, you can just highlight the two, again home and insert. Also, it depends on you if you want to put the text, but for me I want to put text, so that's why I need to put this. Oh, I forgot to put this one. So again, highlight home and click this, and that's right. And now we are going to write to put a number. So in order to make the word less, you have just to highlight this table and also go to home and click this numbering, so this one. So the number will automatically put inside the table, in our table, and I want my numbers to be in the center. That's why, as you can see, it is very easy. And now we have to insert the name of our eco warriors of the year. So I'll be righteous. So again, I'll be right back. So I am done putting or typing all the names, and now we have to move here. We have to put their scores. We have for LeBron James, we have 50. This 50, and for Stephen Kabog, he has 42 points. 60 score for Marian Reyes. Aaron Lopez has 69, and for Angelica Carvalho, she has 65. So I want to put this in the center, so I need to highlight this. Same process, go to home and click this. That's it. And that's for our table 1. And now we need to enter the table 2, which is the artist of the year, or so for table 2, you have to repeat the process, insert the answer table, and in this table this table number 2, we need 2 table 2 is 3. So that's it. And now we are done to our table number 1, and now let's proceed to our table number 2. So we just perform the same, or we just repeat the process for our table number 2. So the same process to table number 1. So now let's type the name of our environmental advocates, and we will just be right back. Now we're done typing all the names. Now let's move to their scores. 43, 55, 38, 60, and 78. So again, I want this to put in the center, so I have to click the enter. I go to home and click the enter, and that's it. For our table number 2, we have just the same process as table number 2 and 1. So for table number 3, rather, it's just the same process, okay? And for table number 2, it is about the climate action contributors. So I just copied the table number 2, and we just need to change it to table number 3, and it's about the environmental action contributors. Again, this is you just have to highlight this one, the name and the score, since it will they have different name and score, so you just have to click the keyboard delete. And now we're going to answer their names. Now we're done typing all the names for table 3, and now we have to insert their scores. We have 50, 41, 33, 46, 55, 64, and that's it. Now we are done for tables. Let's move forward to answer the questions for our figure 1, 2. Okay, that's it. To click twice. Click the insert again, picture, and this device. Again, click the picture, and here, and also this tool. Enter this. Click the picture, right click, and in front of the text. Also this one, the same process. Here, I will write just here, and now we just inserted the 2 pictures, and these two pictures, we will name this. But before that, you have to type figure 1, my ideal environment picture. Nature picture. And highlight, click home, change the font into Arial, bold the text, and that's it. So yeah, just need to adjust this. Adjust them here. And we need another picture here. You have to again type the figure 2, and this is about my hands. Highlight the text, click home, change the font again, bold the text, and I want to insert all again the picture. So you have to click the insert. Insert, device, download, and this one. It should be our hands. My mistake. Sorry for that. And a right click, wrap text, and in front of the text. And that's it. We have created a paragraph with different formatting styles, and we also inserted tables, added figures, and followed the layout. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in completing your your task in document formatting. Thank you so much.